Hi to everyone. I am Dr. VNS Venkateswara Rao, working as an associate professor in the Department of Chemistry in Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Hyderabad. Today, I would like to give the one of the important problems based on the EMF of a cell potential based on the Nernst equation. So, first of all, before starting the topic, what are the contents involved in today's section? First of all, basically, we see introduction to the electrode potential of the EMF of the cell by using Nernst equation. After that, we continue the problems. Okay. So first of all, let us see introduction. The Nernst equation enables the determination of the cell potential under non-standard conditions. So what are the standard conditions? That means the cell potential maintained at 1 atmospheric pressure and 273 Kelvin temperature and 1 molar concentration. These are comes under the category of the standard conditions, and it releases the measured cell potential of the reaction coefficients. That means the problem for the solution, and what is the formula? E is equal to E naught minus 0.0591 by N log 10 base Q. That means where E represents the electrode potential. E represents the electrode potential, and E naught represents the standard electrode potential. E represents the electrode potential and E naught represents the standard electrode potential, and where N represents the number of electrons involved in reaction. Okay, E represents the electrode potential and E naught represents the standard electrode potential, and small n represents the number of the electrons involved in the reaction. That may be either oxidation or reduction reaction. Oxidation is nothing but loss of the electrons, and reduction is nothing but gain of the electrons. So with respect to reaction, we should consider the value of the N. And finally, the Q. Q means reaction coefficient. So reaction coefficient is nothing but like a equilibrium of the reaction, which is the ratio between the concentration of products and concentration of the reactants. That means the equation above indicates that the electrical potential of a cell depends upon the reaction coefficient of the reaction. Okay. Now let us see what are the model problems involved in these EMF of a cell potential based on Nernst equation. First of all, they ask the standard reduction potentials of zinc plus 2 and zinc and copper plus 2 copper are minus 0.76 volts and plus 0.34 volts respectively. So what is the EMF of the cell? That means nothing but zinc solid present in zinc plus 2 0.02 molar, whereas two cells are represented by the separated by salt bridge. So this parallel symbol is nothing but a salt bridge. And copper plus 2 present in 0.005 molar and copper solid. Okay, and the potential given by the zinc cell is nothing but minus 0.76 volts, and the standard electrode potential for the copper cell given plus 0.34 volts. Okay, now first of all they ask the what is the EMF of the cell? EMF is nothing but the maximum electrode potential is erased by the when the electrons are transferred from one electrode to another electrode. That means from anode to cathode. Anode is always present in left side and cathode is always present in right side. Okay, so that means the maximum potential difference between the when charge transfer takes place between the two electrodes. So that is nothing but EMF. Now we see what is the formula for EMF. That means E naught at cell is equal to the potential arises at cathode and the potential arises at anode. Okay, as per the given data, the potential arises at cathode should be equal to 0.34 volts minus, and the potential arises at anode that should be equal to minus of minus 0.76 volts. Okay. So finally we got the value 0.34 minus of minus plus 0.76. We got 1.1 volts. 1.1 volts. So this is the nothing but the EMF of the cell. Now we can calculate the E cell potential by help of the nearest equation. That means E cell is equal to the standard electric potential at cell, and what is the formula? 0.0591 by N log of reaction coefficient Q. So we see the formula in the previous slide. That means E cell is equal to E naught cell minus of 0.0591 by N log of 10 base Q. Okay, so the potential at the cell already we measured. That should be equal to 1.1 volts. So that should be substituted in this equation. Minus 0.0591 by what is the value of N? We see how many electrons transferred in the as per the given data. That means zinc plus 2 to zinc, so 2 electrons, and copper plus 2 to copper, so again 2 electrons. That means only 2 electrons transferred in the either by oxidation or reduction reactions. So the value of the small n becomes equal to 2, since n is equal to 2, and log 10 base Q. Log 10 base Q means the concentration of the products and concentration of the reactants. So what are the concentration of the products? Nothing but zinc converts to zinc plus 2, and copper plus 2 converts to copper. So that means concentration of the products is zinc plus 2 and copper plus 2. So that means zinc plus 2 present in 1 molar concentration, and again the reactants nothing but copper plus 2 present in 1 molar concentration. Okay, as per the given data, zinc plus 2 are present in 0.05 molar, and copper plus 2 are present in 0.005 molar. That means 1.1 minus 0.0591 by 2 log of zinc plus 2, which is present in 0.05 molar as per the given data, and copper plus 2, which is present in 0.005 molar. Given data. Okay, again 1.1 minus 0.0591 by 2 log of 0.05 by 0.005. Okay, so from this finally you got the value that should be equal to 1.07 volts. So this is the cell potential based on the EMF for the given problem. So they ask the standard reduction potentials are minus 0.76 and 0.34 respectively. And what is the EMF of the cell? The EMF of the cell should be equal to 1.1 volts, and that should be substituted in the nearest equation. Finally we got 1.07 volts. Okay, so this is the solution for model problem 1. Next we see the model problem 2. Write the overall cell reaction for the zinc solid present in zinc plus 2 0.2 molar and silver plus 2 present in 0.002 molar and silver solid, and calculate the EMF of the cell at 25 degrees centigrade. The standard EMF of the cell given 1.54 volts. Okay, so first of all you see the overall cell reaction, and they occur due to the oxidation at anode and the reduction at cathode. First of all we see the reduction the oxidation at anode. So at anodic reaction what happens? Oxidation takes place. So that means from the given data, always at left side present anode. So that means when zinc solid present in zinc sulfate solution and they undergo oxidation reaction to get zinc plus 2 plus with the loss of the 2 electrons. And at cathode what happens? Reduction takes place. And the cathode always present in right side. And from the equations at cathode what happens? It present in silver plus 2. That should be absorbed by the 2 electrons lost by previous reaction. So plus 2 electrons, we got silver solid. Okay, so this is considered as a equation 1 and this is considered as a equation 2. From the equations 1 and 2, we got overall cell reaction. So that should be equal to, first of all, equation 1 minus 2 equation 1 minus 2, we got lost with 2 electrons and zinc present in a solid. So silver plus 2, we got zinc plus 2 and silver solid. That means from zinc solid to zinc plus 2 what happens? Oxidation takes place. And from silver plus 2 to silver what happens? Reduction takes place. That means the reaction simultaneously takes place, both oxidation and reduction reactions. That is nothing but redox reactions. Okay, now we substitute these overall reactions with respect to given values. For zinc 0.2 molar and for silver 0.002 molar in the next equation. Okay, and they give the standard EMF of the cells should be equal to 1.54 volts. So the given standard electric potential E naught that should be equal to 1.54 volts. E naught cell is equal to 1.54 volts. Standard electric potential E naught cell is equal to 1.54 volts. That means E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 by N log of concentration of products by concentration of the reactants. That means reaction coefficient. So what is the value of the standard electric potential as per given? 1.54 and minus 0.0591 by N. So where N is equal to number of the electron transfer, that should be equal to 2 electrons. Since N is equal to 2 and log of concentration of products by concentration of the reactants, that means the concentration of the products present in zinc is equal to 0.2 molar. And what is the concentration of the reactants? That should be equal to 0.002 silver concentration. Okay, so finally we got the value of the cell potential. That should be equal to E cell is equal to, we got 1.54 1.4809 volts. 1.4809 volts. So this is the solution for the given problem. That means actually they ask the overall cell reaction. So this is the overall cell reaction, and they ask the calculate EMF of the cell at 25 degrees centigrade when they give the standard electrode potential that should be equal to 1.54 volts. Now the EMF of the cell that should be equal to 1.4809 volts. Now the EMF of the cell that should be equal to 1.4809 volts. So this is the solution for the given problem. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.